This video explains what minimize means. In simple terms, to minimize means to hide a window from the screen without closing the application. The program continues running in the background. Minimize exists because users often need more visual space. It allows a window to be hidden temporarily while keeping the application open and available. Minimizing is not the same as closing an application. It is not the same as resizing the window, and it is not the same as signing out of an account. Minimizing hides the window but keeps the program open and running. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize when a window disappears but the program is still active. You usually see minimize used on application windows such as Word or a web browser. After minimizing, the window disappears from the screen, but the icon remains on the taskbar or dock. The content stays open. This diagram organizes the idea of minimize. Use it as a reference if needed. When a window disappears from the screen, but the application stays open, that is minimize.